Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Gemini something went wrong error. First, refresh the page or swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A poor connection can trigger this error. Then, if you're using Gemini in a browser, clear cache and cookies and then reload the page. This removes any corrupted data. Then, try using a browser or open the Gemini incognito mode. This helps if extensions or saved data are causing the issues. Then disable any VPN if you are using one because VPN services can interfere with the connections. If the error still appears, wait for some time and try again. It may be a server-side issue. That's how you fix the Gemini something went wrong error. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful and simple guides.